Bless everyone. Bless everyone. Bless everyone.
Books one time king fled. 2. Vinu pata jatak. Akila suto channi pata khanatha uddhagana katta papang avida mevang muti vairya balupa patko akila su vinde hadisa santi. Also, once upon a time, while the Buddha was working in the temple, a monk who was devoted to meditation, called Arabhya this Jatak. However, when Lord Buddha was living in Savat city, one of the caste sons who lived in that city went to Jetavanarma, listened to the Buddha's sermons, had a happy heart in the Ratnatra, heard the Adinava of Kama in the Inuses of Pravrajya, Mahana and Upasampada. Within 5 years he wrote books on both topics, learned precepts and meditation methods in the presence of the Omniscient. He thought like this, that if he tries to produce fruit in a temple that is served by the devoted worshippers of Vedha forest for those who want to take up a workshop and live there, it will be a world of vidarshan and a sign of success. 4 persons were mentioned by the sage, and among the 4 of them, I am the most powerful. I laugh that I have neither the path nor the fruit of this soul. So what will the rain do in this forest? The sage approached and looked at the body of the incarnated Buddha, thinking that life would be better if he listened to the sweet sermons and returned to Jetavanarma. On seeing him at that time, the devout monk said to Sander, who is there who would come out of Kali and dwell in the Ganapadha, having vowed to take the robes from the Lord Buddha and pray for them, has your philanthropic work reached its peak? Puharot Pathyam asked if the Ahat had prevented the fruition. Amy said with a laugh that I must be an impossible person without finding a way. At that time, the monk said, we have used the strength of the path and the fruit of the path, and we, who have been made a fool by you, have become close to the sage, he called the monk. The Omniscient One saw the bhikkhus, monks, why did you bring this bhikkhu against your will? He asked what crime he had committed. At that time, as the bhikkhus informed me, Lord, this sage said that in this kind of Narayanism, the monk is doing the meditation and the meditation is done without effort. This Mahana was done without making him known, saying, Kimek Mahana. When Swamiji announced it, he who is Mahana in Mekhala Sasinga is poor, he is happy, he does not stick to the caste, he has the courage cultivated. What is the purpose of the announcement? Mana, wasn't more before Viryavat? Those men and bullocks in 500 wagons were killed because of what those people did. Chinupatha Jatak. Hasn't he come to peace? He said, now, in what matter are you going to work hard? At that time, that Mahana was supported by only one boss. Hearing that story, the monk prayed to the Buddha, Lord. Asa Amama's statement that these monks performed virya now, we are not aware of the fact that in the past, due to the virya of these individuals, they escaped the death of bulls and people and came to Swasthya. Your omniscience is a manifestation of wisdom itself. He also invited us to announce and talk about that matter. At that time, the Omniscient would have died. He told those monks that he was going to be a monk and told them the matter that had been hidden in the monastery. Last day, when a king named Brahmadatta was ruling in the city of Kashi, Benares, the Mahabosatana was conceived in the Sattu Naika caste, came of age, and sold 500 gallons. The great Bodhi beings who were walking in this way came to Marukatara one time. The sand in that Valuka desert is very fine, and there is no sand taken from even. From the time the sun rises, the pine barks like many cedars, refusing to move the sand. Therefore, the animals traveling in that sandy desert took firewood, bread, oil, sal, etc., and went at night. At the time of sunrise, They planted the wagons in the wagons. When the ground got cold, they used wagons to carry it. Travels like a sea vessel. If the mean man who drives the wagons becomes the pilot, he is the one who deserves to receive it. Therefore, the chariots are driven by the star sign. At that time, the Mahabosatana also used this method to go to Marukatara after going for 100 days, and now, in one night, when we could say that it was going to be Marukatara and arrive at the oasis, we ate satasa rice, finished all the wood burning, and left using wagons. The chariots that were going in front of the governor spread out a chair and looked at the stars in the sky. If you say, backward, this is how it is done, then you are dead. Since he had not slept for a long time, he began to fall asleep. At that time, those who did not know that the bulls turned around and went back. All the bulls pulling the wagons came in the night and came to the field in the first days. Satyunayake woke up at dawn and looked at the auspicious stars and said, backward, stay. Saying this, while the wagons were being wheeled and planted in order, Aruna Nenge. Humans say that these are our camps and they are there. Our firewood also ran out. Now they untied the wagons and planted them in the ring, made a tent on top and mourned under their own wagons. At that time, those who were walking in the early morning, thinking that if I open my strength, O great Bosatana, would see a bush of grass and climb up to suck water in this grass bush, they brought a hoe and started from the corner where that bush was, and dug it from place to place for about a year. Again the Palle Tanam Hai Udalu, when the stones under the shovels of the fruitful men began to hit the bottom of the stone, those who were baiting were the Avirya Vagi and the Bodhisattvas, thinking that this stone must have fallen under the stone. They went down to the well and bent the stone to check the half of the water. He stood up and said to his servant, Child, you have been unyielding hashbag Tupam, and therefore you have not been unyielding, and you have not been unyielding, he said. The Book of 550 Births. Hearing that, the man with the hands accepted the words of the great Bosatana, and when the father was still there, he went down to the well and spawned a number of devils in Galatala. At that time, the stone broke from the middle of the plain and fell down, taking away the water flow that was indiscriminate. You are jumping on a water body as if you were a reed. At that time, all the people drank water and bathed. The rest of the people ate porridge, rice, etc., fed the oxen, fed them grass, tied a flag near the Irapta Valley well, paid Marukatara, and went to the place of their choice. Those people sold the goods at the place of their intention and got a profit of 2 advances and 4 advancements from each other and returned to the place where they had first closed. All those people who lived there died and went to the next world. Mahabosatana also died and went to the next world as a gift. King Tiloguru Samyak Sambodhu delivered this sermon and preached the Dhamma to the monks in Mata, just as the merchants were bound with deadly ropes. Fruitful varieties the bosom is comforted. He preached the Dharma again and declared the watery truth that is the path of suffering, peace, and prohibition. At the end of Chatusatya's sermon, the monk who had reluctance was in Ahadphala. Lord Buddha, who was a sage, combined the 2 stories of the past and the present and said Anusai Galata after completing this Vanapata Jatak. At that time, the person who broke the shackles of unrelenting courage and gave sanctification to the public is now this unrelenting and courageous monk. At that time Pusu asked himself whether I would be the king of Tiloguru Samyak Sambodhu.